Welcome to Marina's kitchen. Today I'm going to make some lovely dark chocolate raspberry muffins. My granddaughter's coming over today and she loves these chocolate raspberry muffins, so I'm going to make them and show you how to make them. First of all, what we've got to do is we've got to melt 150 gram of dark cooking chocolate with 150 gram of butter. You don't need electric beaters for this, just beat it by hand. I have melted that on a hot water with a saucepan underneath it on top. Now I'm going to cool it down. After it's been melted, just cool it down for a little while, and after it's been cooled down you can add all the other ingredients. It's so quickly because you can just put everything in together and there's no beating very much. Okay, so with this 150 gram of melted dark cooking chocolate and 150 gram of butter, I have melted it all together. I'm going to add a third cup of brown sugar to that. Third cup of brown sugar. Just keep on whisking it around. I'm going to put my vanilla in now. It's very quick because you just put all these ingredients in together. It's very quick. Okay, you can have either fresh raspberries or frozen raspberries. If you have the frozen, just thaw them out a little bit and they will be just fine. Now what I'm going to do is I've got here 2 tablespoons of chocolate. Okay, cocoa I mean. 2 tablespoons of cocoa. And I'm going to add that to get all that. I've got 2 eggs here and 1 1/3 cup of self-raising flour. Just put it all in together. I'm going to put my eggs in now. There's two eggs there, beating them up together. Okay, put that all there. And I've got here 3/4 cup of milk. Now I'm going to add my self-raising flour. It's so quick just to put it all together, no trouble. Okay, 1 3/4 cup of self-raising flour. Just add it all in and just whip it around with that 3/4 cup of milk. I've got 3/4 cup of milk there. Just whip that all together. This is why I like this one, because you can just put everything in together, no beating. And they've got the 150 gram of that beautiful cooking chocolate, and you've got that butter. And now just put everything into very, very dark, rich chocolate muffins they are. And they're going to add the strawberries in the end. So all you do is whisk it all together. See how it's beautiful and dark chocolate? Lovely. Now I'm going to put my milk in here. Just add your milk a bit at a time. Just add like that. Keep on adding it. And so it's so quick. It's so lovely, dark, and beautiful dark muffins. Dark chocolate muffins. Very, very dark. Very rich. Beautiful. Just keep on whisking it all together. And just look, I just put that milk in now. Keep on putting your milk in. It's 3/4 cup of milk there. And I've got my muffin tins there ready to put them in. They go about 180 in the oven degrees for about 25 minutes. Okay, we'll just add this here. Keep on adding your milk. Very quick, because when you just put everything in together, you don't have to have a lot of beating and a lot of with your beaters. Okay, just put all your milk in. That beautiful, rich, very rich chocolate muffins. Lovely. The 150 gram of that beautiful dark cooking chocolate. You got the 2 tablespoons of cocoa. And now I'm going to add all my raspberries. Now you can have either fresh ones or frozen ones. It doesn't matter. If you have the frozen ones, take them out and thaw them out. So all I'm going to do now is just go and put them all together in there. I'll put all my milk in there. It's lovely soft mixture, the beautiful soft mixture. I'm going to add my raspberries, 125 gram of raspberries in there. All together, just add them all in, and they give it that extra bit of flavour to it, which is really, really nice. You can taste them when they're cooked. Okay, look, that's all it is. Very quickly, you've got these beautiful dark cooking chocolate raspberry muffins. Beautiful. And it's a lovely soft mixture. Okay, I've got everything done. I've got everything in there. Now I'm just going to put them in my muffin tin. That's all. Okay, I'm just going to put this over here. And I'm just going to put them all in my muffin tins now. It's a very soft mixture. It's a very soft mixture, lovely soft mixture. Put them all in your muffin tins like that. Fill them all up. You get quite a few here, out of here, about a dozen. It's a lovely soft mixture, beautiful. Just keep on filling them all up. You get quite a few out of it. And they'll go into the oven for a 180 for about 25 minutes. You can tell when they cook. You can ice them if you want to. You can put some icing on the top if you want to, but I just like sprinkling them with some icing sugar. Just keep on filling them all up. Don't fill them up too much because they do swell a little bit. I've got some more patty cakes there. I've got some more of these. I'll have some more, about another couple there. I've got some more here. You'd go about a dozen. I'll just put some more in there and put some more in there. Okay. I think that'll be enough. We've got enough there for another 3, yeah. That's nice. Lovely. My great-granddaughter will love these because she loves these chocolate muffins. She's coming over today at morning tea. She's got the holidays from uni. She's coming to see me, so I've got here a nice dozen of their chocolate muffins for her. There's a good 11 there. Make about a dozen. I'm just going to fill them up with this extra. Just fill them all up. Yeah, I've got my oven on for 180. Just give them about 25 minutes. As I say, you can ice them if you want to, but they're rich enough without the icing. All I do is just sprinkle some icing sugar on the top. That's all I do. Look. They are my beautiful, rich, dark chocolate muffins with raspberry muffins. They are lovely and moist, they're lovely and dark. If you like a dark chocolate muffin, this is something you can try. And I'm sure you'll enjoy them. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day. Bye.